Yo, what's up, people? Yo, look what we got, man. The plugs, we got a micro HDMI, the Raspberry, bro. Ready to play some arcade, man. Running beautifully. Full screen. This is a 30 or 32 inch, I forgot. I don't have the box with me no more, but I think it's a 32 inch LCD TV. And look, full screen, arcade, Mortal Kombat 1. Insert coins. Yeah! Sub-Zero. Everything is fully functional, man. All the buttons working perfectly. This is awesome, bro. Yeah. Oh, you made me miss, man. No! Ah, I messed it up. Yeah. Liu Kang didn't get that lucky. Alright, guys.